I haven't vlogged all week because come Gia.
This is his work truck.
Get in the car. So like I said, I haven't vlogged all week. My bad.
Hey,
But
do it at me. Do it at me, mommy. Do it at me. No,
sweetie.
don't.
So I just finished my hair. Yeah, I just finished doing my hair. It's a hot mess, but I took my braids out, washed my natural hair, and my natural hair grew so much. Giovanni, put your belt on.
She made new hair.
So
She got new hair.
yeah. So I just installed this. So I took my hair down. I took the braids out,
Thank you.
washed.
Did have coins.
Went to the beauty supply store, got 3 bundles of hair, which this is the Ultra Cos Soft Yaki. I got 3 bundles, which turned out that I didn't need 3 bundles.
We're going to the hair teeter.
Which came out that I didn't need 3 bundles, I only needed 2.
I am not doing that.
So I was gonna pay to get it installed and everything, but I am very impatient and I get anxious easily, so I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So what I did was I got a pack of braid in hair. I got a pack of braid in hair.
Auntie didn't want to do it.
And well, she did. I need to call her and tell her not to come anymore because I already did my hair.
Let her come. Let her come.
Okay, Missy.
Let her come.
So, Elena, you do way too much. Take it down 1 notch.
Why not?
Yeah, 1 notch.
Why not?
So, I need to, girl. Oh, so yeah. So I bought a pack of braid in hair. And I cornrow my hair all the way to the end, and because my hair is like extremely short, I attach the braid to the end because I don't know how to cornrow with braids.
Ding, 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 ding.
I was just trying something. So after I did that, I attached the braid to the middle of my head, and then I started sewing the tracks on until I got to the front. When I got to the front, I realized I made a mistake. So what I did was cut the hair and glue them here. But none of my hair is left out on the side. None of my hair is left out. Everything is sewed. So once these start to fall out, once the front pieces start to fall out, I'll reattach them. So that's not too bad. And then I got this $4.99 closure at the beauty supply store, and I just slap it on to the top. And homegirl, and I threw some curls up in there, cut it down to fit frame my face. Basically I framed my face and dropped a few curls in them because I have to go to the grocery store and I have to get some dinner going for these guys because it's 5:38. So that's basically it. Haven't been feeling well, so that's why I haven't been vlogging like my daily vlogs. So my medicine. I was sleeping the entire day. I slept the entire day Monday. I slept the entire day on Tuesday, and today was the only day that I felt good enough. I felt good, and the kids were off from school, so yeah. Say hi, guys.
Hello. Hi. Peace. Hey, how you got in the camera? Peace.
So we're gonna go pick up dinner. So I'll see you guys in a bit. What?
What just happened?
What happened?
There's a big bump here, right here.
A bump in my car?
It's like somebody did that, but I see scratches.
Scratches.
Yeah, like somebody's car, like this.
All right.
Tell Daddy when you get to fix it.
All right, go across, ducklings.
And there's a thing on TV that you can get at the store to smudge off your scratches or something like something.
I don't know what you're talking
Like
about.
that stuff.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure there is a product for that. I can't think of the name right now. We're going to the mailbox.
Mailbox!
What was that? What's that?
That's me always in the picture.
So the Pope is in town, and that's all that's on the news. Like seriously. I just want to watch TV, and I can't find my remote to change my channel. I need to change my channel.
I said leave it alone.
Honey, why are you so loud? He's always over there just barking orders. Empire starts tonight, honey. Empire starts tonight.
Empire.
Another thing to add to the list of foolery to watch on TV. It's like, let me stop. So I'm cooking meatball with spaghetti-o for dinner. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. I don't know why I'm just now getting it together. My husband is over there chillaxing. And whether or not you want to believe it, my house is dirty. As you see, my kids have Lego everywhere. Like, oh, I just want to scream with the Lego, man.
Lego!
Go clean it up. How about you do that? Go clean it up.
I was gonna break your thing. Wait.
My little shorts. I would show y'all my shorts, but it's not. I'm loving my hair though. Seriously, it's giving me life. It's giving me life. But yeah, it's 14 and 12 on the top. Maybe I need to cut that down some more. But anyway, guys, I'm sorry I've been gone so long.
Yeah, because we went to children's place and then
Oh yeah, we did. We went to children's place to go redeem the place cash today. My daughter's so excited. So
we bought. I take the thing. I want to take it.
I bought
Let me take it out.
2 pairs of tights for Illy. Get over there with that. A jean shirt.
For me.
A jean shirt for her.
This is my.
A pair of pants for Jaxson. Another pair of pants for Jaxson.
Yeah. Another shirt for Jaxson.
A shirt for Jaxson that says little brother. Another shirt for Jaxson that glows in the dark. A shirt for the boys. A shirt for the big boys. And a shirt for Destiny. And
A shirt for Jaxson.
a shirt for Jaxson. So
And that's it.
that's it. And there was a necklace, something, a bracelet thing. Because they were like, your total is only $99.98. You have to add something that's $1. to get another $10. I said, give me something. So I bought her some bracelet crap somewhere. So I only spent $58. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna go. I will see you guys tomorrow.
And bye.
Why are you so close to your face?
You were close to your face.
Like that. What do you want to say?
That's it.
So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, because it's pathetic the amount of subscribers. No, I'm having fun. I have 4 subscribers, so thank you to my 4 subscribers. You guys don't even know. I'm gonna do a giveaway soon of the Man-Bee planner, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do a giveaway of the Man-Bee planner the next time I go to Hobby Lobby, so stay tuned for that. And
peace out.
yeah, so bye.